Please fill in all available space in the office. Please make room for others behind you. Hurry now. Please stand away from the walls in the center of the room. Hello and welcome, beloved visitors. You must be so excited to finally meet me. Of course, I am Dr. Diabolical, the creator of the only product in the world of its kind, Dr. Diabolical's Fountain of Youth Elixir. I know you are anxious to receive your sample. I promise you're just a few short moments away. And while we prepare the samples in the next room, prepare yourselves for newfound youth. Robot! Tell our guests what my elixir promises to deliver. Dr. Diabolical's elixir promises to deliver absolutely magical results.
Oh, magically devastating results. Please, leave while you can.
Each sample of the elixir is curated by Dr. Diabolical to uniquely treat each individual need.
You are all in grave danger. Please, heed my warnings. Leave this place or it will be too late.
Move forward through the corridor. You will receive your elixir sample and your instantaneous results. Quickly now, there's no time to waste.
Move to the center of the room. You must stand under the extractor. It's located above your head. Hurry! Move quickly!
Hello again, my foolish puppets. I wanted to let you all in on a little secret. The real reason you are all here. My extraction machine! Confused? Oh, you thought there was actually a miracle elixir? How sweet. There is an elixir, of sorts. This torturous extraction device will rip your fear and adrenaline from you bit by bit. Your fear will feed my army of ravenous creatures. Robot! Turn on the machine.
Now's your chance! You must leave at once! The extractor mechanism is malfunctioning! It appears to be Yes! Leave my machine! Preshow Fiesta Texas.
Okay. Dispatching trains to back and free right here on Dr. Diabolical's Cliffhanger.
Give me your fear! My army of creatures need your adrenaline to live! Scream in terror for me! I need it! Your fear gives me life! That's not enough! Not nearly enough! Scream! Louder! Scream!
Welcome back. Please unbuckle your seatbelt. When the train comes to a complete stop, push up on the restraint and exit towards your left. Don't forget to pick up items that were left
Welcome
in
back to Overseer Drive. This carriage train passengers will then push up. Unfortunately, since the park is not closed, that was the last ride of the night. Have a safe trip home.